What's up, YouTube? This your boy Lil Key. I'm back with another video. Before we get right into the video, make sure I like, comment, subscribe. Make sure I turn the notification bell on so y'all get every Lil Key post. If you're new to the channel, make sure I subscribe and hit that bell too. I'm on the road to 300 subscribers. So make sure y'all get me there. I'm grinding all this shit out. You feel me? So today, I'm going to get my little brother, Lil Sid. You feel me? I'm gonna do a prank, popping the firework prank on him. You feel me? So I got the fireworks. You feel me? Then I got a little pen, you feel me? Put it in there, you feel me? He don't think somebody's shooting, you feel me? I'm telling y'all, I'm gonna see the crazy reaction ever, you feel me? Cause he don't like nobody be shooting, you feel me? So let's get right into this video on game. Jeez. You straight? You straight? You good? You straight? How you feel, bro? You was sleeping good, but I'm telling you, boy. What you like about it? What you like about it, bro?
You so lame, bro.
You like? You good?
I'm good, bro.
Huh?
I'm good, bro.
You straight?
I'm good, bro.
Wait, it's a banger?
You so lame.
It was a banger?
You sorry, bro.
It's a banger, man. You don't know. It's a banger, though?
Yeah.
It's a banger. All right, man. How you feel, though? There's a lot of smoke in here. You feel? It's a lot of smoke. But, all right, this is the end of the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all turn the notification bell on so y'all get every little key post. And when you're new to the channel, make sure y'all subscribe and hit that bell too. We out.